This demo. Come.
Come, come.
Okay, so like sunset of South Road. So this is road number of FH2300. This is iPad. Okay. So first of all, how to on this machine. So backside one switch is there. Okay. First we can switch on the backside. Then comes to like control PCB. This power key should on. So then they write until display as settings, cell settings. Manu ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Okay. See, once the cell testing of the devices, so it will show like this. Now we can switch on access. What we have to do? So they are giving two kind of password. So whether entry is one kind of password, that is 111 4 ones. Okay. See, 11111. Okay, 4 times. Now enter. Right. So now nothing is come. This power button is switch. Now machine is on. Okay. So you have entry to access the display, not settings. Now if you want, go to settings mode. Again one more password is there. Okay. Just you can go parameter bits. So, this key is there now. So you see this now red color. Just you enter. Again they are asking password. So now you should enter 222. Okay, 4 2s. Yes. Everything is there. Sorry. Okay. Now we have to start any program settings. Now we can enter into after put that password of 222. Now program types. Whether once they set the program types, they are showing manual mode and auto mode. Okay. So which mode you need according to your protocol. Suppose only one day you have to keep, so you can go directly manual mode. So otherwise, if you hour-wise settings of light settings, humidity and temperature, then you can enter into auto mode. So now I am showing manual mode. Okay. See whether you have to go to settings. Before you have to check whether it is auto mode or manual mode. So now it is auto mode. Now you can enter into manual mode. Just touch the manual mode. Now it's turned into manual mode. So after that setting this manual mode, just you can press the manual. So now it's showing all the parameters what you have settings. Suppose first thing is temperature, second thing is humidity, third one is light settings. So if you want to go to set any temperature, just you can push the key. Okay, and numeric keypad has to be showing as a display. Now already it's set it 26. If you want 35, whatever modification, you can go directly to the numeric key. So now 26 is there, is you made it 29. Now enter. So once enter, the value as saved. Okay, 29. Now humidity. So already it is there in 75%. If you want 80%, you make it 80. Sorry. And enter. So now these two parameters as set. Then next third parameters is go to light edge. Just you press the light settings. See this manual mode 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. This is 8 cells are there. Right side is 4, left side is 4. So if you now they are connected only 4 cells. Right side is 2, left side is 2. So first one and fourth one is removed now. Okay, only these two type, second and third. Then right compartment third one and fourth one. So easily you can access. Press the LED 3. Now 25% is there, so you can make it 50 or 60, whatever. Save it. Automatically it's saved the value. Then comes to
I can keep different.
yes.
Not issue.
Yeah. So now made it in 60, no? So this is 50%. Okay. So it is come 60. Then that cells 70. Okay. So comes to right side panel in third compartment. You can make it 90. Okay. Now different light settings has to be on. Okay. Now you can close this. Okay. Now everything is set to, correct? So this is the play mode. When you press it, then automatically starts everything. Okay. When manual mode, temperature 80 and humidity 80 should be right mark. We can click yes.
For manual mode.
Manual mode. Auto mode, it will automatically controls.
What is that 80 means?
So
Humidity.
at the temperature it sets. Whether value is set, then only it will take. They started the temperature settings. This one also same like humidity. So now comes to back. See whether what we set. This is set value.
Okay.
Okay. This is present value.
Present.
What is an ambient in the chamber?
Okay.
You see, this is cooler is not start. Compressor is not start because delay time we kept 3 minutes. After 3 minutes they start cooling.